Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. It's August 4th, 2023. Just wanted to give you an update on the status of product. We're getting a lot of it. So if you're in the mood for a new ATV, side-by-side motorcycle, or snowmobile, give us a buzz. This is how the loads are coming in nowadays. COVID has changed. Gotta love it. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. If you're after a Can-Am ATV, we got the hookups. Also, we'll be doing an update on the new showroom expansion project as well as grand opening reveal date. We're getting close. Again, 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great weekend, everybody. We're going to be dropping some new fresh content starting next week as well. New situations happening here. Appreciate you guys. If you find any of our content valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're in the process of continuing to grow this animal, and we love all the support. Have a great weekend.